Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making some Akra. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Let the fun begin. These are some of the things that you're going to need in some malanga, your complete seasoning. This one I found it at Marshall's for $2, like a vegetable spice. Some black pepper, paprika. This is some Haitian Epis, a sour orange, a pepper, and this is for our pickles, and also a grater and some flour. So we're gonna start by peeling our malanga. You can use a knife or you can just use a peeler to peel it. After you're done peeling it, you're gonna take it to the sink and rinse it, which I didn't show you guys. And then you grab your grater and you start grating, I guess. You can also use a food processor or a blender to actually do this process, which some people do, but I'm old school, so I chose the grater. And also, it's only 2 of the malanga, so I didn't want to, dirty my blender or my food processor. So I just went for actually maybe the easy route. It should look something like this. You're gonna take your Epis and you're just gonna mix it all up in there, like so. If you don't see me add any habanero pepper, like maybe some jalapeno, like spicy pepper, is because the Epis already have all the spice we needed. The complete seasoning and everything else I have in front of you guys is just for extra flavor. You don't have to use it if you don't want to. You can just use the Epis and everything else, but I chose to add extra flavor because I'm, a little spicy. You feel me? How? So I just go ahead and add all that in there. Bear with me. My black pepper. Actually, I like a lot of pepper. I don't even know why I do, but I do. I like a lot of pepper. This little guy I told you guys about. I found it at Marshall's. It's a vegetable spice. I don't know. What do you call it? Vegetable spice, roasted vegetable spice. It's pretty good. It's only $2. Marshalls doesn't pay me to make commercials here, but I'm just saying you can find it at Marshalls. It's like $2, or maybe you can find it somewhere else. But I found it at Marshalls for only $2. I went in and add half of the sour orange. It's simply for color, and it makes it nice, gives it a nice color, if you say so, which I think. I use it a lot in meat, but Grandma always said to have to add half of the sour orange. It gives it a nice flavor. Excuse my voice, guys. I have allergies. I think I saw a dog today. I don't know, maybe a cat. I don't know. And you can go ahead and add half of your bouillon cube. Not too much, because you already have all the spice in there. Don't want to be too salty. Mix, mix, mix. Look at the flick of my wrist. Bam, bam, bam. All right, and then now we go ahead and add our flour. You don't have to put too much. Some people put way too much flour. It looks like a cake batter. Because you really want to taste the malanga. You have to taste the malanga. Don't put too much flour. It's just to bind it, to hold it so it doesn't fall apart in the oil. You don't have to put too much. I think I'm going to add a little bit more because it was too little runny. Half a spoon. Here we go. Just like that. And we're going to set it aside. Look at that. Yes. It smells really good, actually. I always say it, but my food smells really good. This one smells really good. It's a street food I really like. One of my favorite street food. That and pate is like the key for me. So this little thing here is my oignon pickles, or call it onions pickles, with my bell peppers and onions and I'm also going to add some lemon juice in there. And also just for flavor. It's the pickles without the, what do you call it, the cabbage, the chou. Make sure you put on gloves, or don't touch your eyes if you do this. And this is the lemon. Cut it, squeeze it, juice it, juice it. Just like that. I added the other half of the Maggie cube and mix, mix, mix. You put that to the side. It's just a garnishing for you to eat with the malanga. It's really tasty. It's spicy. Just give it a kick. Now you get your oil nice and hot. You're going to grab you a butter knife. Is that a butter knife or dinner knife? Whatever that is. And just put it in there. Let's start frying. Don't overcrowd the pot because you're going to be oily if you do so. Because you want them to be nice and crunchy and crispy. Don't overcrowd the pot. Never overcrowd the pot. Never overcrowd the pot. Ew. Just like that. I didn't do a lot because it was just, to show you guys how I make it. But my dad ate most of them, by the way. This is the color that you guys want to go for. Well, at least I go for. Because I like them nice and crunchy and crispy and soft on the inside. Look at that. Put them in a nice little towel. Paper towel in your bowl and just, so the grease can drain a little bit. I believe. That's what Chef JR always says in Stefan. Shout out to Chef Stefan and Chef JR. This is what the finished product looks like. This is your garnishing. I love you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Like I always say. Look at that. Look at the inside. Soft. Crispy. I love you all for watching.